Hello guys, welcome back to another quick DIY video. Thank you for all the support. I am blown away. Well, today we have a very interesting video. It is so cool to watch. I am going to try this one. For sure. Look at that crazy. How masterfully he is doing it. Wow. That is a great use of simple materials. I bet you guys to try these and let me know in the comments how it went. Super cool. What he is doing is so simple, a 5-year-old can do it. I bet I can make it as well, but not at that level. What do you think, guys? Will I butcher this DIY? So beautiful, I loved it. Well, I loved watching this video with you guys. The final result is amazing. I am going to try this one for sure. Well, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. See ya.